Welcome back to DIY University by Sally Beauty. Today we're talking about nail anatomy and nail care. What's in a nail? There are so many parts, but today we're talking about 4 parts, in particular the cuticle, free edge, eponychium, and nail plate. And to demonstrate this, I'm gonna have my friend Victoria come on and we're gonna walk through this together. Are you ready to learn about the nail?
Are you ready to teach me?
I'm ready. Okay.
Let's go.
This is the eponychium.
Okay.
We're gonna be pushing this back to expose more cuticle. Now, cuticle is that white substance you see on your nail. It's like a dry texture, but oftentimes cuticle can be clear. So it's important to use a cuticle remover to help soften all the cuticle that's on the nail. The nail plate is the nail that you see. And then along the edge, you have the free edge of the nail. Okay, now we're gonna learn about how to take care of your nails. So you're gonna need a cuticle remover. You can get lots of different formulas of this. This one is a gel, and then you just apply it just to that cuticle area. Okay, now just rub it in, just so it's spread out evenly.
All over the nail?
Yes.
Okay.
And you have your little cuticle stick still in hand?
I do.
So it's best to wait 2 to 3 minutes just to let that cuticle softener do its thing.
So a dance break.
Yeah, a dance break.
Okay.
Don't put that in, that was terrible.
I loved that.
Now you're going to very gently push back the eponychium. Be gentle because there's a lot of fragile parts around here. Just push back that skin. And you may notice it's a little gummy and you're getting a weird texture buildup on your stick. That's the cuticle. And you're gonna notice there's more than you thought because it, like I said, cuticle can be invisible. If you drag your wooden stick just around the edge, if you feel any resistance, there's probably a little more cuticle there.
Okay.
But if you feel no resistance, you're probably good to go to the next nail. Now look at both your hands. Do you see what a difference just doing that makes? So sometimes when I'm not in the mood to do like a full manicure, I just take care of my cuticles with some cuticle softener, push them back, and I feel like a brand new woman.
I'm starting to feel that way too.
We're going to trim off any excess skin.
Am I holding this right?
Yeah, just hold it so it fits comfortably in the palm of your hand and you're able to squeeze it all the way.
Okay,
Perfect.
I got it.
Now just run the tool flush along your skin and very carefully remove any dry bits. But remember, be cautious because this is a fragile area. So
Right.
any dry skin, just go ahead and remove that.
Okay, and I'm feeling like, slow and steady wins the race here.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Never do anything you're not comfortable with. Always go slow and take extra caution in this area. You'll notice that your manicure is a lot easier to apply if you take these like a little additional steps throughout the week in maintaining your overall nail health. And now you just want to file it to the shape that you like. For me, it's square. If you don't know what shape you are, we have a video all about shaping your nails and picking the best shape for you. In this case, I think you should just go with natural, which just naturally echoes the shape that your nails are growing in.
Okay, so
Enhancing her. And you're using a nice fine grit file, which is more suitable for natural nails. Drag it across the free edge. And depending on the shape you're going for, you're gonna angle it a little bit different. In your case, perfect. Okay, so now we're ready to apply nail strengthener.
Okay, and what's that?
This can just help provide an extra layer of protection to your natural nails, just gonna give them the strength to grow out longer. You're doing so good, Victoria.
Thank you. I'm trying
And
really
really
hard.
good. Cool, so now let's hydrate them. So this is a cuticle oil and it's super hydrating. I apply it literally everywhere because I love to hydrate that area. And now I like to just really take this moment in my routine to pamper myself. I apply the cuticle oil and then I just gently massage it into your hands and skin. This is your moment, you're taking care of your hands. And the last step, I like to apply a nice slathering of lotion just to the rest of my hands.
Okay.
Look at that.
Even though both hands
She's-
are moisturized, I can totally tell a difference.
Right?
Yeah. I feel like I need to take my time,
Absolutely.
and really do it right.
Absolutely, and just have a moment. Like you are pampering yourself. Your hands are just as important as like the rest of you.
Yeah.
Like spend a little extra time on your hand care. You know what I mean? Okay, Victoria, you are set. Now, any nail enhancement you want to do next, whether regular polish, gel, dip powder, you're ready to go.
I'm so excited.
Hey, if you want to see those lessons, make sure to subscribe to Sally Beauty. We have so much more to come. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch more DIY University by Sally Beauty, make sure to subscribe. And we have more videos just like this. Click on your screen here.
Do permission to remove my hand from this place so she can check my progress? Okay, great.
Oh, they look so good. You're doing so good.